How to change language on TikTok. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and in today's video, I'm going to show you how to change language on TikTok. Without further ado, let's get started. Before we head on to the TikTok app itself, let's first visit the App Store or your Play Store and search for TikTok. And let's check if our TikTok app is up to date. So I'm just going to open App Store right here. And if you just opened it, you can just type in the search bar TikTok and just click on TikTok over here. Now, if it says open, that means that your TikTok is currently up to date. However, if it shows an update button, just tap on that so that you will have the latest features within the app. Once you have made sure that your TikTok is up to date, let's just head on and open TikTok right here. And from your profile page, you should be at your profile page. So if you're from any other page, just click on this profile icon at the bottom right hand corner. So once you're at the profile page, let's just click on this 3-bar line icon at the top right corner and click on settings and privacy. After that, let's just scroll a bit and focus on the content and activity section. And under here, you should see the option language right above the dark mode option. Just click on language and immediately you can see the option to select your default app language. So I currently set it at English, so I'm just going to click on that. If you want to change, for example, I'm going to change it to Espanol. I'm just going to click on that and click on done. And that will immediately set the language for your TikTok app. You also have other options right here, so you can customize it as well. So that is how you can basically change language on TikTok. So that ends this tutorial. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Feel free to comment any questions you may have as well. So that is all for today, and have a great day.